investor. My name is Mirza Dwiandika. NIM 202408030054. Today, I'm going to compare two laptops. Nowadays, laptops have been essential tools for studying and working, and choosing the right one can be difficult. Both the MacBook Air M3 and Asus ROG Zephyrus G14 are high-end laptops with fast performance, premium design, and support many applications. This makes them popular among students and professionals. However, there are some differences. The MacBook Air M3 uses macOS and is lightweight, has long battery life, and runs silently. This, this makes it very suitable for productivity tasks like studying and office work. On the other hand, the Asus ROG Zephyrus G14 uses Windows and is designed for gaming. It has a powerful GPU, which makes it better for heavy tasks like gaming and video editing. Another difference is portability. The MacBook is lighter and easier to carry, while the Asus laptop is heavy but more powerful. In the past, many users might have chosen gaming laptops because of their strong performance. On the other hand, some people could have preferred MacBook because they are simple and efficient. In conclusion, both laptops are excellent, but they are suitable for different users. I recommend the MacBook Air M3 because it is lightweight, efficient, and easy to use. Thank you.